So this plant is Leymus Condensatus Canyon Prince. Canyon Prince Wild Rye. Canyon Prince Giant Wild Rye, actually. So this one gets 4 feet by 4 feet. Full sun to partial shade. Flowers in the summer, but the flowers aren't really all that noticeable. Minimal water. A very beautiful ornamental grass with gray-green leaves. So if you want something that kind of has a different texture than most of the plants you're used to seeing, I would recommend this. A really good medium growing plant. It might get a little taller than 4 feet, probably closer to 6, depending on where you live and your soil condition. If you've got the right soil condition, this could again get a little wild, but not in an invasive way.